Hey beauties, you're welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to whiten your hands and also achieve a wrinkle free and a baby soft hands. If you are new to this channel, please do consider to subscribe to this channel and also turn on the notification bell to enable you get notified of any new skincare and health video using natural and organic home remedies that can help you achieve a flawless and ageless looking skin. To whiten and achieve a wrinkle-free and baby soft hands, you'll be needing these ingredients. You'll be needing baking soda. Baking soda is a natural skin whitening agent. It does not have any skin whitening effect, and it keeps the skin bright and beautiful. Baking soda exfoliates dead skin cells and also unclogs pores. It keeps the bacteria away and removes blemishes. Lemon has natural bleaching properties. Lemon contains vitamin C, which is effective for skin lightening. The vitamin C in lemon helps the baking soda to work better as a whitening agent. This is sea-based salt. Sea salt is a natural exfoliant. It will exfoliate dead skin cells and also acts as a disinfectant to kill bacteria. It will also allow new skin cells to regenerate. Sea-based salt will strengthen your skin tissue and improve blood circulation. It absorbs and eliminates toxins and cleans your skin's pores deeply. Epsom salt is also good if you cannot find this particular salt. When you mix this salt with baking soda and lemon, it will reduce the yellowish stains and give you a brighter and healthier looking nails. Turmeric can work wonders on any skin condition like eczema. It is used as a wrinkle treatment and it helps to delay signs of aging. Turmeric can lighten your skin and can help to restore natural glow and treat an uneven skin tone. Honey has long been a favorite ingredient in skincare products as it helps to keep the skin looking younger and radiant and smoother. Honey is also a natural exfoliator and it has so many skincare benefits. The next ingredient is the egg white. I will separate the yolk from the egg white. Egg white will help to tighten your skin and also lift your skin. Coconut oil contains nourishing fatty acids that will hydrate your skin and improve the skin elasticity and collagen production. So these 7 natural and chemical-free ingredients is all that you need to whiten and achieve a baby soft hands. If you want to get all the information on how to do all this, you have to keep watching to the end. If you don't, you're gonna miss a whole lot. Now let's get started with the preparation process. You'll be needing a bowl. Fill it in with warm water and then add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. You will also need a half lemon. Cut it into pieces and pour it into the water. Add a full cup of sea salt into the water. You will have to soak your hands for 20 to 30 minutes. This procedure will help to relax your muscles and also soften your joints. As you soak your hands, use the piece of lemon to scrub your hands and knuckles. Just soak and scrub for 30 minutes. When you are done, simply pat dry your hands. So moving over to step 2, Mix 1 full egg white with 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of honey. Mix and stir very well and gently rub and massage your entire hands and fingers also with it. Let it sit for 15 minutes and then you rinse it off with a normal room temperature water. You will also need to rinse your hand the second time with a clean water. Pat dry your hand with a clean towel. Don't worry about the turmeric stain, it will clear off in some few hours. Now you have to moisturize your hand with a coconut oil. Be sure to repeat this remedy 2 to 3 times weekly for fast results. This remedy will also help to lighten dark knuckles. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Like and share this video if you find it very helpful, and also if you have any question, leave a comment below. Thank you. See you soon. Bye bye.